Hey, wondered how the luxuries of lifestyle in Dubai look like? Well, guys, you're at the right place. Welcome to Candid Media. So, today we're going to look into the luxuries and the lifestyle of Dubai, what it has to offer. Dubai is one of total 7 Emirates and most popular place of the United Arab Emirates. With a population of over 3.1 million people, Dubai oozes out luxury and sophistication. Surrounded by the tallest and record-breaking skyscrapers, the city is the destination place for many who dream of a lifestyle as such. So yeah, stay till the end and let's enjoy the video. The luxury airlines. You don't even have to wait to step down on the land of luxury to experience their culture. The minute you get on board an Emirates Airlines, you're engulfed by the luxury. You can enjoy a world-class first class with cushy leather seats. Say goodbye to the cramped seats with no leg space, because here are seats which can be reclined to become a bed with sliding doors, a lounge with personal bartenders, and a shower stocked with Bulgari toiletries too. Besides the best entertainment system, you also get a range of culinary cuisines to choose from and a complimentary door-to-door chauffeur service for pickup and drop from your destination and to the airport. Other such airline services include Etihad Airlines, Air Arabia, and Fly Dubai. Let's talk about the luxury hotels in Dubai. Dubai has the most lavish, expensive, and famous hotels known to mankind. There's no other way to explore the luxury of the city than giving a stay in one of the most luxurious hotels on the earth. Let us start with the best, Burj Al Arab Jumeirah. Even if you haven't really researched about Dubai, there's barely anyone who hasn't seen the iconic building of Burj Al Arab. Even if it's on your Instagram feed, the way we associate the Statue of Liberty with New York, Burj Al Arab is associated with Dubai. Standing on a man-made island, the hotel is shaped in the form of a giant sail. If you're a guest of the hotel, you get a pick-up and drop service by a Rolls-Royce, and that is if you haven't opted for the chauffeur service from the Dubai International Airport. Out here, everything that shines is in fact gold. With a magnificent architecture, the hotel is part of Dubai's skyline. But Burj Al Arab isn't the only 7-star hotel. Hotels like the Palm Atlantis, one and only the Palm, JW Marriott Marquis Dubai are one of the top hotels in Dubai. Let's talk about fashion. A heaven for shopaholics. Dubai will send shivers down one's spine when one steps into the city. People from all around the world flock to Dubai for their luxury shopping and the exotic vacations. A home to hundreds of international luxury brands like Galeries Lafayette, DKNY, Coach, Rodeo Drive, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, and so many more is the fashion hub. If you have the cash to splurge, hire a personal stylist who will guide you through your shopping spree. Since the climate in Dubai is mainly hot, people flock to the malls not only for shopping, but also leisure and dining. With heavy discounts on luxury brands like Givenchy, Gucci, Stella McCartney, Alexander Wang, Dubai houses hundreds of malls and places for a luxury shopping experience. Experiencing those luxury might be expensive sometimes, but subscribing to Candid Media is always free. So hey, stay tuned. Talking about cars and luxury automobiles in Dubai. If you're going to be stuck in traffic for an hour, you might as well do it in style, right? Cars are more than just plain vehicles for traveling from one place to another in Dubai. You stop at any parking lot of any mall or a building, and you'll see a fleet of the largest models of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royce, Maseratis, or Porsches. Moreover, it's called the City of Gold for a reason. You'll also find gold-plated cars in Dubai, appearing at a signal or in the driveway. Dubai has such a luxurious lifestyle and lavish living that luxury cars just complement their way of living. If you're in Dubai as a tourist, your experience will be incomplete without you hiring a limousine for a night and going to the best nightclubs and bars. It's not just the public, but even the Dubai police is famous for fighting crime with classic Lamborghini Aventadors or Bugatti Veyron and even the Ferrari FF. For any car lover sitting a roadside cafe, sipping on some coffee and watching their favorite supercar zoom by can make their day. To accentuate it, Dubai has various rental offices which let you rent your dream car. $1 million customized cars are also a hobby of the rich kids and public out there. So hey, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you really do and subscribe for more. Until then, ma'as salama.